Nou, hier zijn Mel, Siem, Teun, Jorrit, Rosemarijn en Sam met Still Rolling Stones.
Out of the shadows, bound for the gallows, a dead man walking, till love came calling. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up, 6 feet under. I thought it was over, and answered a prayer, the voice of a savior. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. All at once I came alive. This beating heart, these open eyes, the grave let go, the darkness you know. You're still rolling, rolling. You're still rolling, rolling. Oh, you're still rolling, rolling. Oh, you're still rolling stones. Now that you save me, I sing 'cause you gave me a song of revival. I put it on vinyl. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. I once was blinded, but now I see it. I heard about the power, and now I believe it. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. All at once I came alive. This beating heart, these open eyes, the grave let go, the darkness you have known. You're still rolling, rolling. You're still rolling, rolling. Oh, you're still rolling, rolling. Oh, you're still rolling stones. I thought that I was too far gone for everything I've done wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna dug this grave, but you called my name. You called my name. I thought that I was too far gone for everything I've done wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna dug this grave, but you called my name. You called my name. All at once I came alive. This beating heart, these open eyes, the grave let go, the darkness you have known. You're still rolling stones. You're still rolling stones.
Wat goed gedaan! Ik denk dat jullie wel vaker in deze samenstelling mogen spelen. Klonk hartstikke goed. Hey, jullie mogen staan naar achter, drink lekker iets. Pak een snoepje achter of zo.
Jorrit mag weer terug naar zijn plekje. Yes, mag de volgende act het podium opkomen? Deze is echt heel bijzonder. Het is namelijk een duo, maar het zijn niet 2 leerlingen. Het is 1 docent en 1 leerling. Kom erbij, kom erbij. Oh, sorry.
Staan in de weg.
Yes, Sam, want jij bent geen leerling hier, hè?
Ik ben geen leerling hier, nee.
Nee, welk vak geef je?
Nou, mag het publiek even raden, denk ik?
Ja, nou,
Ja, vind ik een goed